Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some laser engraving ideas that are perfect to sell online. And I'm going to be talking mostly today about Etsy. Etsy is one of the best platforms for selling unique custom pieces like the ones I'm going to show. I currently sell on multiple different platforms such as Etsy, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace, just to name a few. But there are some reasons that I primarily focus on Etsy. So why Etsy? It's perfect for laser engraving businesses because it connects you with people looking specifically for handmade and custom products. Etsy also has built-in marketing tools, making it easy for you to reach more buyers. And there's also a supportive community of sellers if you're just starting out. Plus, Etsy shoppers are actively searching for unique, one-of-a-kind items, so it's a fantastic place to show off your work. So here I've got my Etsy page pulled up and you can see some of my listings. So I make a lot of different earrings, coasters, tumblers, keychains, bookmarks, and different items like that. So there's a bunch of different items that people can choose from. Each one of these items could be customized if the customer would reach out and ask for it. Also, you can see here at the bottom that I have multiple different 5-star reviews and comments, and every comment that somebody says, I have said something back. So this is just one of the ways that I try to really interact with my followers and the people that buy products from me to help increase that more in the future. So now I want to talk about some of the pros and cons of Etsy. So I found this list online and I think it's pretty accurate. So I just want to go through it a little bit. So some of the pros from Etsy is there's a large customer base, there's easy customization tools, and it's really good for visibility because there's different marketing tools that you can use to promote your brand. Some of the biggest cons about Etsy is the fees can definitely add up because there's listing fees. There's also very high competition and there's very limited brand control. Other shops you can look at, such as Shopify or making your own personal website, there's also some pros and cons with it. Some of the pros being that you have full control over your brand, lower fees, even though there are higher monthly fees. I would recommend Etsy for somebody who's just starting out, but then if you've been engraving for a while and have created your brand, that's when I would look at making your own website or going to Shopify. There's also larger potential for customer retention. Some of the biggest cons of some of the other shops is that they require self-marketing, there's higher maintenance and setup fees, and there's less initial trust. So Etsy offers quick access to buyers, but has more fees. So your shop gives you full control, but requires more effort to attract customers. So that's just some of the pros and cons, so you can try it out for yourself and see what you think. So now let's talk about some different products that you can engrave. As you can see on my shop dashboard, I've got 24 different items listed right now for sale. Most sellers have many more than that, and I would recommend more. But some of the easy ones are keychains, coasters, and bookmarks. These are small items that can be shipped cheaply and can get where they need to go pretty quickly. They're also very easy to engrave. I would also recommend some bigger items like a cutting board or a tumbler. These are a little more tedious and they take some more time and some more marketing because there's definitely a lot of other people that are doing it. But they're very unique and they're very popular, especially as wedding presents. People are looking for more decor that they feel personal and custom, and that's why items like that sells very well. You also want to be able to customize your items based off of the holiday. For instance, I've got Halloween coasters here. Then scrolling down a little bit, I have some earrings for Easter, some spring flower coasters, and others like this H custom wooden coaster, and I can make any other letter that somebody needs. I made these originally for a wedding, and now I can personalize them however somebody wants. So there's just a few ideas of things that you can make. I've got a tumbler here for Mother's Day. So just as a recap, there's a bunch of different items that you can sell on Etsy, and there's a bunch of different platforms you can use. I have used Etsy quite a bit over the last few years and sold quite a few different products. I like to keep it simple on my Etsy, so every time that I make an order, I don't have to go back and remember what I did. And be sure to also write everything down. If something doesn't look good the first time you do it, you might forget the next time. So if you don't write it down, you won't remember. So those are just a few different ideas to get you started. So thanks for watching, and I hope you don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful. There's also a link to my Etsy page in the product description below if you want to see kind of how I set mine up. Please leave some comments below and I'll try to respond to them as quickly as possible. I've made a lot of different videos over the past about tutorials and ways to make your engravings better, but I haven't talked about where to sell your products at. There's a lot of different ideas out there, and this is just one of many. So see you next time on Tar Heel Engraving. Thanks, and have a good one.